Hello friends, so today we are going to unbox one more perfume which has come from the brand named L'Occitane, and the perfume name is Eau de Baux. So I ordered the perfume from Tira. The delivery has come within 2 days. The packaging is quite decent, so let's start. Yep. I believe this would be the bill. Yeah, this is the bill. We'll keep it here. Okay. So that's it. This is how it has come. Let's keep the box aside. Let us open the poly bag now. I didn't think so. I would require a knife. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So that's the price. Things has been mentioned here. So I have a bottle of this, which I bought it in a lesser price. So because it got over, I was looking for this so that it has come in the sale. These are some freebies. Yeah, quite a nice shower. Yep. Oh, because this is a free gift, so no details are mentioned here. But that's fine. So this is it. This is a pouch, leathery Tira pouch of no use because of pink color. My wife is going to keep this. Okay. So yeah, that's it in the unboxing.